Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and I got my very first Black Friday order, in which I ordered the Says Stamp Crafty Parcel 2020. So only thing I've done was just cut it because I wouldn't have been able to get into it, but I've not seen this. I've never ordered one of these before, and I've heard mixed reviews about it, so obviously I wanted to order it for myself because everybody's different. So I'm going to go ahead and start to open this. And I know they're probably sold out, but I just wanted to give you guys my experience in case there was something that you guys wanted, might be something you're interested in for next, whenever they do this again. So, super cute tissue paper. Little paw prints. My daughter will love that. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, it looks like there's a lot, and I'm okay with that. So, the first stamp set I see is this is the Stamp Timber Because of You stamp set. So we have Because of You, I've become a better human, this world is a better place, I didn't give up, thank you for being my inspiration, you make me a better person, and then you made all the difference, I have a new perspective, I just wanted you to know, thank you for showing me how to be better, a big you, I feel accepted and loved just by being you, and then because of you. So that's pretty good. And then I got we're like toilet paper, which is, I always thought this one's hilarious, and I didn't have either one of these two. So we have don't panic, I'm here for you, you're on a roll, we cover each other even in the crappiest situations. We're like toilet paper. I love you with all my toilet paper. My stash of toilet paper is bigger than my heart. I share my toilet paper with you. So this is a cute little set. Ooh, okay. Something from Pink Fresh. This is called Charming Floral Wreath. So real tiny. It says, words can't express my gratitude. Thanks for making everything around me beautiful. And then we have, you are amazing. You are more amazing than you know. So, and then on the back it shows you kind of like how to put the wreath together, and it does have a coordinating die. I don't know, it's probably not in here, but it doesn't, it's still pretty nice. I really like it. And then another one from Says Stamp. This is Anna's Flowers. So we have smell the flowers, enjoy nature, little things for you, life is beautiful, hello, thinking of you. A flower blossoms for its own joy, Oscar Wilde. Happiness, happy birthday. That's nice. I really like that. And then this is, oh, I got two stamp timbers. Okay, I'm not going to complain about that. And this one has the coordinating die with it. So this is with Newton's Nook. And this is Hello Beautiful. So we have hello there, friend, beautiful, handsome, be happy, male, together, birthday for you. And it's got these super cute little dog and cat images on it. That's so cute. And as a bonus, it comes with the matching die, so that's always a plus. So I know this one because I have this one. So this will probably go into a giveaway, but that's okay because this was from the I can't remember what Says Stamp kit it was, but this was the Hello Sunshine. So I actually use these two to do my swatches for like any of my stamps that I get, or not stamps, inks. So it kind of works out that I have it. Well, this one is going in a giveaway. But yeah, that's so nice. 6x8. Ooh, I have wanted to get this and I just have not gotten it. So this is from Pink Fresh Studio. This is the Pop Out Rainbow. That's awesome. That is awesome. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it says 10 pieces. So each one of these pops out to, to make your rainbow. That's great. Let's see. Some Tim Holtz Thinlits. This is, what is this? It says it on here and I cannot obviously see it. Anyways, they're ornaments. It's 22 pieces. So it looks like it cuts out like everything. And I don't have these. This is perfect, like perfect timing. because I'm in the midst of making, you know, obviously Christmas cards. Here's another one from Tim Holtz. This is, there's two dies and there's snowflakes. How pretty is that? I love that his stuff comes with those plastic folders. And then here's another one. This is, I don't know what this is. But here it is. It looks like it cuts out all your letters. So there's all of your words right there. How cool is that? Okay, this will be good because I will definitely use this. And you get 14 dies. So you can't, I mean, obviously beat that. And these are expensive, like at Michael's and stuff like that. So yeah, that's not bad. I got 3 of them. I also got the 3D cut and emboss. So it cuts it out. I don't want to open it just yet. But it cuts it out and then embosses it. So you get this super pretty like border. You also have the paper rosette die. So this is a long die. Like I have the full size Gemini, so I'm sure it'll be good. But it gives you all the instructions on how to make the little rosettes. Okay, I can work with that. Oh my gosh, and more Pink Fresh. This is the ornate poinsettias cover plate. Wow, okay. I am so excited about this. I will definitely be getting another one of these next year. Because it was so worth the money. I mean, it was $69 plus tax plus shipping. But, I mean, still, even that's already been paid for. Okay, and then I have a paper pack. You know what? I'm not even going to try to figure out who some of these are. But it's a good fall, autumn, you know, paper pack. Oh, it looks like P13. Okay. I have not heard of them yet. I got these stickers. So my daughter is going to love these because they're tiny little cats and she's obsessed with anything tiny. But these are by Sticko. I'm getting to those ones. So this is a leaf punch from Tim Holtz. I do not have any of his punches, believe it or not. I just kind of never got into doing a whole bunch of punches. And if I did, the kids took them and sold them for like school projects. So yeah, okay, I'm good with this. And now, dun dun dun, I got 2 huge Pink Fresh Studio there's standalone. This is the Phrase Builder Happy Holidays. So you get Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, and New Year. And you get the dies and the shadows. Okay, this, like, I'm for sure getting another one of these next year. And it's been tousled around a little bit. I'm sure, you know, the mail has not been pleasant. So then this one is, this is the Happy Phrase Builder. So we have Happy Birthday, Anniversary, Father's, Mother's, Valentine's birthdays, or holidays, day, and then Thanksgiving Day. And again, you get the coordinating, you get the shadows too. How fantastic is this? A little pack of sequins, which are just like a gold, yeah, like a nice gold. And then we got some, I got two things of stickers by Kelly Perky. So one's just the number one, and then this one is just, they're label stickers. And of course my $5 off coupon. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll definitely be using some of these, you know, a good bit of these. I'll bring them all over since I know that big box now. Let's just scoop the whole tissue paper over. So yeah, this is definitely worth my money for sure. So if there's anything that I showed you guys that you've seen that you want me to use, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm going to be off of YouTube for a couple of days. I'm having surgery tomorrow. So all the thoughts would be great. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again next time. Bye.